Hello everyone, this is Coco from SinoColor. How are you currently handling media pretreatment before UV printing? Still doing it manually? Today, I'd like to show you a new solution. Portrait while you print with our integrated plasma tool. It's especially ideal for challenging surfaces like glass and metal.
High-energy particles from the plasma tool bombard metal and glass surfaces at extremely high speed, creating a micro-etching effect, forms microscopic concave convex structures without damaging the material appearance, increasing the physical interlocking area between ink and the substrate, improve the firmness of the print.
Okay, finished. Let's take a look at the adhesion test results. The outcome is excellent, very impressive. If you have high requirements for UV print durability, welcome to contact us for more details. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. SinoColor is always here to provide you with best printer, best service, best solution. Have a nice day. Bye.